Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can easily change your name servers for Namecheap. So when you're going to be here in Namecheap, you want to click on domain list. Here, when you're going to be in domain list, you're going to click manage right here. Right here, you're going to have domain, and then you're going to have name servers. So here, you're going to choose the name server that you want. So I'm going to choose like the custom DNS. And here you're going to just paste the name server, let's say weeks or whatever, I don't know. But that's how pretty much you're going to do it. It's nothing difficult. So again, you go to domain list. And then manage. And right here on the domain, you're going to find name servers where you're going to change the Namecheap to something else. So thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day and goodbye.